We have continuing coverage tonight. A family of 3 found dead inside their Kent County home. Investigators say it doesn't appear to be suspicious.
But now the medical examiner will determine exactly what caused their deaths. Our Matt Witkos is here with one possible factor based on what was found in the home. Matt?
Yeah, well, Megan, firefighters say there was high levels of carbon monoxide. We're told they had to vent the house before being able to go safely inside.
And because it's called a silent killer, we don't know when carbon monoxide is present.
Kent County Sheriff's Office says a husband, his wife, and his son died inside this home in Alpine Township Friday. The Sheriff's Office adds the couple was in their 80s and their son was 61 years old. They add that while they don't know the immediate cause of their deaths, they're working to find out what caused the high levels of carbon monoxide.
When I hear there's any type of fatality because of carbon monoxide, it is preventable.
Michael McLear is an expert in fire safety. He says more than 400 people in the United States die every year from accidental, non-fire related incidents.
I would recommend we have carbon monoxide alarms near our sleeping areas, since most of these incidents are happening in the evening, at night.
McLear adds more than 20,000 people visit emergency rooms across the U.S. and more than 4,000 are hospitalized yearly.
When we hear the alarm sound, we need to make sure we get out and stay out. Get everyone out of the home and go outside and await the fire department's arrival. Safe choice would be to call 911 once safely outside, either from a cell phone or from the neighbor's house. Never re-enter the home until the fire department can check the levels and make sure that it is safe for people to re-enter back into the home.
Now, Fox 17 has partnered up with Escape and local fire departments and the American Red Cross to provide and install smoke and carbon monoxide alarms in owner-occupied homes throughout West Michigan. To schedule a free smoke alarm or carbon monoxide detector installation, email safe@fox17online.com or call 844-978-4400. Now, I have gone through a similar experience with the Grand Rapids Fire Department. They have this free program where you're able to just call them up and they'll come in and install these smoke alarms. And I've had that for over a year, and it's been a blessing to have in my home.
Yeah, and I mean, they did quite a few, right?
Yes, from Josh and Megan, they installed one in each bedroom, one outside a hallway, one in the downstairs basement, and then 2 carbon monoxide alarms. And it was a great thing to have because I didn't realize how many alarms that they needed to install.
Right, and also the timing, keeping up with it is probably the most important thing.
Yeah, you have to check it yearly, annually to make sure those batteries are still working.
Just having that line of defense against that silent killer, as they call it, is so important. And I know these programs are so willing, they're eager to give out these carbon monoxide detectors. So important to have in your home.